Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 7th of July 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we go into a new week here, what do you need to be aware of? Well, gold prices last week, they of course tapped 8-year highs. We hit in the futures market $1,800 per ounce. We've also seen hedge funds and money managers in the latest week yet again increase their overall net long positions on both gold and silver. And as we head into a new week here, we've seen yet again a retest back towards those swing highs. Now, what I would look out for over the course of this week is whether we can, in fact, penetrate and break above the 1800 level for gold spot price here. If you take it out to the monthly chart, this is where things get very interesting for gold, where we've had 3 tests back in 2011 at $1,800 per ounce, which were failed breaks of that zone. So we broke out ever so slightly above that level, only to then just see a bull trap and then a complete reversal for gold. At this zone right now, we're going to see a battle. Normally, as well, as you go into July, as I've mentioned before, silver and platinum, they outperform gold. In fact, our platinum position is up 300 points at the moment. We talked you through that in detail, where we've re-established positions towards that $800 per ounce level. That position is moving very nicely, and well done to everybody who capitalized on that based on our analysis on the week ahead commodity report. Platinum has delivered fast profits yet again, banking us in total over 2 trades last week, 500 points, and we're up 300 points on the position at the moment. So with gold this week, you also need to keep an eye on the gold silver ratio. That is breaking back out again today to the upside, putting pressure on both gold and silver. Silver so far today has pulled back 1%. Gold has pulled back 0.4%, still finding a lot of resistance at the 1800 level. So you will see some traders who are taking the opportunity to book profits at this zone. We see them time and time again with gold. You saw it last week off non-farm payrolls, a very quick sell-off that we saw, 300-point move off the highs, and then these opportunities where you see these quick, sharp and short sell-offs for gold are providing great opportunities to get in at the lows and then capitalize on the subsequent rallies and break out to the upside. We do continue to see hedge funds, money managers accumulate their overall net long positions here. So we do want to be a buyer on dips, but at the same time, you do not want to be FOMOing in and make the classic mistake so many retail traders are making in the market, using their 100% technical based strategies, and they're just getting trapped time and time again in breakouts here. So they get these bull traps in the market, they get caught on a breakout, they get FOMO, they can't handle the price going up without them on board, they buy too late, and then they get trapped and taken out of the position, effectively getting chopped up. And this is where technical analysis absolutely is not going to work in these market conditions. You need much more of an edge than that to trade the precious metals. And of course, the recent trades that we've capitalized on, many of you have also been able to look at the daily cycles, the weekly cycles and the monthly cycles to buy in on those dips, not try and sell short gold at incorrect zones where many traders are getting chopped up. And this has worked out perfectly to capitalize, of course, on gold, where it has been one of the best performing asset classes with commodities in general so far in 2020. It's been an exceptional year, not only for gold, which is up 17% so far this year, up 7 quarters in a row. Silver, of course, rose 25% in the month of May, and we've seen oil prices have their best quarter as well in over 20 years. So it's been a phenomenal time for the commodity markets. If you're not making money in the markets at the moment, particularly with commodities, you absolutely should be. And there's really never been a better time to learn a research-driven process to the markets. We're halfway through the year. There's going to be some fantastic opportunities in the next 6 months for you to capitalize on. So if you would like to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club, really get an edge with your trading, trade the same way that the hedge funds, institutions, the money managers trade. Don't trade the same way that the majority of retail traders trade, using their outdated technical analysis and strategies which quite simply are not working in 2020. So if you would like to find out more, get an edge in the markets, join a community of successful traders, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to find out more. Make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. So with that, that's been Gold Asset of the Day. And of course, we wish you good trading.